Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube. Happy Vlogmas Day 15th, December 15th, 2023. Happy Vlogmas Day, guys. 1-5. So today's Vlogmas, we are watching a Christmas family movie, guys. That's what we're doing. That's what today's Vlogmas is about. Family time watching. We're watching A Christmas Carol by Jim Henson, actually. It's been a couple of Muppet days for the last couple of days. So that's for today, guys. Today we're going to be watching some Christmas movies, probably mostly old school movies. I haven't seen this movie. I don't know if I've ever seen this one. If I did, I probably seen it a long time ago, guys. But this is Christmas Carol by The Muppets Christmas Carol by Jim Henson. And it's a really good movie. So that's something you guys can watch for the kiddos and for the family, guys. But that's what today is about. It's about family movie time, family Christmas movie time, because today I think it's going to be all Christmas movies. And then we're going to go out and do a little last minute shopping, but it's family movie, day, time, whatever, for Vlogmas Day 15, guys. Stay continuing watching all the Vlogmas videos. Go back and watch our Vlogmas Day 1 up until 15. We're 15 days in, still going strong, guys. Stay tuned for many more videos. Like I said, we're up to 15, 16. Who knows what we're gonna do for tomorrow? But I look forward to uploading more videos for you guys. So make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my crazy big black family on YouTube. And don't forget to hit all notifications on your subscribing so that you can get notified of every time we drop a video, every time we upload a short, every time we post on our community page, guys. You guys will be the first to be notified. So don't forget this video for my crazy big black family on YouTube. Yes, you heard it. My crazy big old black family, guys, because that's what we are. It's a whole bunch of us and we crazy big black family, guys. So if the name is a little catchy, that's what we are. I thank you guys for tuning in. I thank you guys for continuing to watch. I hope I don't get copyright from this because I think you can hear it in the background. But it's a watch time, movie day, Friday. Happy Friday, by the way. And by the way, also, happy Vlogmas. And if it's your birthday today and you're celebrating a birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. If it's your birthday, happy December 15th birthday to whoever's celebrating a birthday today. And also, happy Vlogmas Day 15, guys. And blessings to everybody on the upcoming holidays. Stay safe, be safe this weekend. TGIF, but take it slow on this Friday, guys. Be mindful of everybody out there, you know. Take it easy, drive safe, be well, and blessings from all of us to all of you guys on this day and the upcoming holidays and the upcoming New Year's. Blessings to all of you guys, you and yours, from my crazy big black family right here on YouTube. It's a whole crazy family vibe on this side. What's up? See you guys later. Until next time. Talk to you later. Happy Friday, guys, from everybody over here on this side. I live in my black girl lifestyle.
Hey,
At Angel Strange. I think there's Brian's down there on the floor. I'm not sure. I don't even know. But the rest of the clan fam is either at work or in school or out for the day, guys. I think we got Brianna. No, I think she's not in there right now. But thanks, guys, for tuning into my video, my vlog.